Hi guys, my name is Abdurrahman Siddiqui, aka Pakistani Pepper. I'm a high school teacher and Google certified educator. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Hangouts and Google Meet, two tools from Google for online interaction, to attend your teacher's classrooms and actually interact with them in real time. Quick note, on my channel, there's a bunch of teacher tutorial videos and student tutorial videos, and if that appeals to your interests, consider subscribing. Now let's head on over to the tutorial. This is Google Hangouts for students. Begin by going to google.com. In the top right, click Sign In and sign into your school account. In the top right, you're going to click on Google Apps and you're going to click on Meet. At this point, hit the Join or Start a Meeting button. Now, this is where you need to place a code that your teacher has to give you. There's no other way for you to join without that code or the link. If they don't know how to generate that, have them watch my other tutorial. Go ahead and paste the code your teacher has given you as the joining code. Click Continue. At that point, you'll be logged in to the meeting and it'll ask you to allow both camera and microphone usage. As you can see, I am now in the class meeting entry page and I see my teacher there as well. On the top right, I can start doing settings, so I can turn on captions if I find it easier to listen, and I can hit settings to show you that I have the audio and video both connected, although my teacher may choose to mute me. At that point, I can click Join Meeting, and now I am officially in the meeting with my professor in front of them. As you can see, both my professor and I are speaking, and right now we're both the same person speaking, so it looks a little weird. But either way, the captions don't always line up, so I'm just going to turn them off. After turning on the caption, as you can see up there, I can confirm that there are two people in this classroom right now, myself as a student and my teacher. Also me. Now, with this chat here is where I can interact with my teacher. So I can let them know that I am here, I can ask them questions when they're teaching, or I can ask them questions about education. And that's it basically. I have just joined the classroom. All I needed was the code from my teacher. And if your teacher can send you a code, they can also send you a link to join via phone. But as of right now, I can just end the call and rate the video quality. So that's it. Hope after this tutorial, you can definitely use Google Hangouts with your teachers and make sure that you don't miss class, even if you have to stay home. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. This is Pakistani Pepper saying peace out, stay peppery, and don't forget, sometimes life's best lessons are in the stories we hear least. Have an awesome day, guys.